Is your Vizio TV HDMI not working or showing a no signal message? Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple and effective troubleshooting steps to fix Vizio TV HDMI problems, including HDMI ports not detecting devices, block screen issues and more. Let's get your HDMI connecting working again. The first fix is confirm the correct HDMI input. Press input or source on the Vizio remote. Select HDMI 1, then HDMI 2 and HDMI 3. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds on each input. Make sure you are selecting HDMI port where the cable is physically connected. Second method is do a complete power cycle. For this, turn off the TV and unplug the TV from the wall. Unplug the HDMI device. Disconnect HDMI cable from both ends. Wait 2 to 5 minutes. Plug the TV back in. Turn the TV on. Turn the HDMI device on. Connect the HDMI cable again. Third method, try a different HDMI cable. HDMI cables can fail even when they look perfectly fine. Use a non-working HDMI cable if you have one. Avoid HDMI adapter or extensions during testing. Connect the device directly to the TV. Fourth one is try every HDMI port. For example, device 1 HDMI 1, device HDMI 2 and device HDMI 3. If one port works while the others don't, the problem may be isolated the particular HDMI input. Fifth one is test another device. This is one of the most useful tests. For example, if your PS5 is not working, try a laptop, Roku or Fire TV, Blu-ray player, another HDMI device. Results: no HDMI device works, likely the TV side problem. Another device works, likely cable device or setting problem with the original device. Sixth one is check whether the Vizio detects the device. Go to the TV's input source menu and see whether the HDMI input appears normally. If the HDMI input is available but says no signal, the TV recognizes the input but it's not receiving a usable video signal. Tenth one is lower the resolution on the connected device. This is particularly important with a PC, laptop or PS5, Xbox or new streaming devices. If the device outputting resolution refresh rate the TV does not accept, you may get a black screen or a no signal. Eighth one is if it is a computer or laptop on Windows, press Windows plus P, then select duplicate or second screen only. Also try settings, choose system, then go for display and select detect. If using a USB-C and HDMI, try a different adapter if possible. Fifth one is if it is a game console, completely shut down the console rather than putting into a sleep mode. Then turn off the TV, turn off the console, disconnect HDMI, turn the TV on first, select the correct HDMI input, turn the console on, reconnect HDMI. If you are using a PS5 or Xbox, the screen remains black, try starting the console in its low resolution safe mode in setting 1080 picture. One is check the HDMI and CEC settings. On Vizio TV's HDMI-CEC is generally associated with the CEC device discovery setting. Try temporarily turning CEC device discovery off, then restart the TV and the test HDMI again. If it was already off, you can try enabling it. For Vizio software update, using the TV's menu, look under something similar to, then choose menu, go for system, then check for updates. The exact wording varies by Vizio model. Install any available update, then restart the TV. One is try the TV's built-in apps. Open YouTube, Netflix or another built-in Vizio app. Built-in apps working but HDMI doesn't. The display itself probably functioning, so focus on HDMI input device troubleshooting. Otherwise, built-in apps also have a display problem. The problem may be more general than HDMI. First one is factory reset the Vizio. Do this only after the easiest steps. Look under go menu, choose system, then choose reset and admin, then go for reset TV to factory default. You may need to enter the TV's parental control pin. A factory reset removes your TV settings, accounts and network configuration. Thank you.